Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. The 17th Asian Games were held in A. 2018, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2014. The right answer is D. 2014. Question number 2. Who is the author of The Myth of Independence? A. Aisha Jalal, B. Shahid Rafiq, C. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, D. I.H. Qureshi. The right answer is C. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Question number 3. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations is in A. Rome, Italy, B. None, C. Paris, France, D. New York, US. The right answer is A. Rome, Italy. Question number 4. The Coldstream Guard is the oldest continually serving regiment in the army belongs to which country? A. UK, B. Iceland, C. USA, D. Japan. The right answer is A. UK. Question number 5. RA is an Indian secret service which headquarters is in Delhi and was founded in A. 1970, B. 1960, C. 1965, D. 1968. The right answer is D. 1968. Question number 6. CIA is intelligence agency of USA headquartered in Langley, Virginia, was founded in A. 18 September 1948, B. 18 September 1946, C. 18 September 1945, D. 18 September 1947. The right answer is D. 18 September 1947. Question number 7. How many sports were played in Summer Olympic 2016? A. 34, B. 22, C. 28, D. 40. The right answer is C. 28. Question number 8. How many sports were in Winter Olympic 2018? A. 12 sports, B. 7 sports, C. 9 sports, D. 15 sports. The right answer is B. 7 sports. Question number 9. Famous British physicist Stephen Hawking died at the age of A. 86 year, B. 96 year, C. 76 year, D. 66 year. The right answer is C. 76 year. Question number 10. Who is the author of the book Brief Answers to the Big Questions? A. Chadwick, B. Stephen Hawking, C. Newton, D. Albert Einstein. The right answer is C. Newton. Question number 11. The second largest city of Pakistan is A. Lahore, B. Quetta, C. Rawalpindi, D. Multan. The right answer is A. Lahore. Question number 12. The United Nations was founded on A. 24 March 1949, B. 24 March 1945, C. 24 October 1945, D. 24 October 1950. The right answer is C. 24 October 1945. Question number 13. Which is the capital of Angola? A. Manama, B. Canberra, C. Baku, D. Luanda. The right answer is D. Luanda. Question number 14. Which country from the following is not the member of UNO? A. Vatican City, B. North Korea, C. Vietnam, D. Afghanistan. The right answer is A. Vatican City. Question number 15. The International Court of Justice is located in A. Washington, B. The Hague, C. Geneva, D. New York. The right answer is B. The Hague. Question number 16. They are member of SARC. A. 5 member, B. 8 member, C. 7 member, D. 6 member. The right answer is B. 8 member. Question number 17. Organizations of Islamic Cooperation has official language A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 3. The right answer is D. 3 official language. Question number 18. They are non-permanent members of the Security Council. A. 7, B. 5, C. 15, D. 10. The right answer is D. 10. Question number 19. The currency of Indonesia is A. Rupiah, B. Ringgit, C. Rial, D. Dinar. The right answer is A. Rupiah. Question number 20. The D8 is an organization of 8 countries. A. Africa, B. Developed, C. Developing, D. Asia. The right answer is C. Developing. Question number 21. The European Union working capital is in A. London, B. Lisbon, C. Australia, D. Brussels. The right answer is D. Brussels. Question number 22. The headquarters of NATO is located in A. Geneva, B. Paris, C. New York, D. Brussels. The right answer is D. Brussels. Question number 23. The motto of UNO is A. Love and peace, B. Peace, C. Life of all, D. It's your word. The right answer is D. It's your word. Question number 24. The world highest mountain is in A. China, B. Nepal, C. Pakistan, D. India. The right answer is B. Nepal. Question number 25. The headquarters of Red Cross is in A. Geneva, B. New York, C. The Hague, D. Washington. The right answer is A. Geneva.